This is what a snow day looks like when you're responsible for it.
Yeah, it's very deep. Okay, there goes Dada.
I love the beauty of a quiet snow day in upstate New York, but with that beauty comes responsibility. I could pay someone to clear this, but then he wouldn't see me do it. I didn't grow up knowing how to fix much. I lived in cities, someone else always handled it. This house changed that. There's something different about fixing what's yours. You remember it longer.
If you pushed it, it would work.
But life isn't all work.
This is so powdery.
And play hits harder when you don't skip work.
Woo! Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Ah! Good job! We did it!
Let's do that again.
That was awesome!
Let's do that again, Dada.
Woo! Woo! Rippin'! Yeah!
With so many distractions and screens, childhood is shrinking, and us adults, we optimize everything but memory. Stillness doesn't perform well online, but it lasts longer in real life. Someday he may not remember the snowblower, but I hope he remembers the ride.